All right, so we got another beater box today. Kuma is here as well. He's not feeling very good, so yeah, he's gonna just hang out with us today. Yeah? Do you like shoes? Do you like the untied Ohana? Anyway, we got a $1,300 beater box today, and yeah, hopefully Kuma perks up if we catch some heat in here. So yeah, stay tuned. That is coming up next. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with your favorite series, this beater box series. I'm pretty pumped over this beater box, man. It is 1,300 bucks, but I got a good feeling about today's box, man. If you guys have never heard of a beater box before, these are actually like mystery sneaker boxes that are supplied through Sole Supremacy. Sole Supremacy is actually a shop out in the Bay Area of California. They have an online website where you guys can check out, link in the description below. Do you wanna go outside? Alright, so I guess we don't have Kuma today. But anyway, we're still going to open up this beater box. It is $1,300 like I was saying. And the whole premise behind these mystery sneaker boxes is that they send them to you in like used conditions, you clean them up, and you're able to get more value out of the box. So technically it's $1,300, but you could make maybe, hopefully, a couple $100 here and there if you resold all of them. So it's a cool premise, and yeah, we've been doing it a lot. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. 1,300 bucks. Alright, first impressions. Whew. I don't want you guys to see beyond this point because I don't know if the two money shoes are at the top of the box already. That's why this is weird. Okay, anyway, but we do have a couple loose shoes in here. So first off, what are these? Okay, so it's a pair of like Air Force Ones. So we do have a pair of these Air Force Ones. They are a size 8 and they have like a lot of Easter vibes going on. Not really sure if these are called Easters or something, but they do have a kind of niche look, man. I'm not about this, and obviously I can't fit a size 8. But hopefully there is value on this shoe. You guys can see the counter over here, which shows competitive market pricing for these shoes right now. What makes it interesting is that because they're used shoes, there's not really like a set way to price these things, you know? It's not like one scratch here is minus $5, without the box is minus 10 bucks. You have to kind of like play with it a little bit, see where the market is, and that's how we kind of come up with these numbers. So these aren't the actual sold numbers. I mean, we're trying to hit these competitive market numbers, but for the most part, we get very, very close, and sometimes we're actually over these numbers, so it's a good median. And so the next shoe out without a box is a pair of Jordan 11 Cherries, it looks like. These are in a size 10, and the cherry colorway is actually pretty clean. See over here, this one is used, bottoms are dirty. There's a pretty heavy crease right there across the toe box. Okay, the other shoe looks a little bit more dirty, but overall you guys can see these aren't too beat up. So size, but another good pickup. 11s usually move really well, and I'm sure the counter over here is a lot higher than it was for the Air Force Ones. Okay, and I thought this was gonna be a super heater pair, but apparently not. It got me confused because I thought it was a pair of the Chicago Ones, but they are not. I'm not even sure what they call this series, but clearly the sole is completely different, bottom's a lot different. It actually says Nike over here instead of Air Jordan, so I don't know. If you guys need a pair that looks like Chicago's, this is not bad. This one is in a size 10.5, so I could fit this, but yeah, it's a lot different than your typical Chicago pair. So whatever the price is on these, I'm sure it's not super high. Very manageable shoe, and it's very functional if you guys are like balling on a budget, so that's good. All right, so now we're gonna get into the shoes with boxes, and one of the ones on the top, which was confusing, is a Yeezy 350 box. And if you guys didn't know, in terms of like market value and stuff, has been declining like significantly. Like people are trying to sell their Yeezys because there's not really hype around them anymore, at least not as much. So that's why you guys see so many more Yeezys in beater boxes, why you see Yeezys going for cheaper on the market and stuff. And it's just, I don't know, there's kind of a shift going on. The rumor mill says that the 350 V3 is coming out next year, so maybe that'll spark some life into it. But this one is a size 9. And we have a pair of Coppers, it looks like. Okay, that's a pretty good pickup. Like I said, this one is a size 9, yes. So original box. And the Copper model is actually one of the better colorways in my opinion. You guys can see that brown stripe over here. Not too much damage, bottom's a little bit dirty, but looks clean overall, man, looks clean. So these probably have a good boost in value up over here on the counter. Also comes with like receipts and stuff. So yeah, I guess that's to show authenticity or whatever, but all the shoes from Sole Supremacy are authentic, so there's no worries there. All right, so it looks like we got a Jordan box up next. This one is a size 9 Jordan Spizike. That's no good. Whew. Okay, so it's not a Spizike. It is actually a pair of Jordan 11 Berets, which I don't know if you guys know, but Jordan 11 breads are like grails for a lot of people. But you can see right here, this is a freaking clean. Is this dead stock? No, it doesn't look dead stock, but you can see over here there's a slight crease, but other than that, I mean, this is a very, very nice condition pair. So yeah, this is pretty dope, dude. Jordan 11 breads go for a lot of money, so this is really nice to have. And yeah, it is a little bit used, but not so bad. So if you guys need a pair of Jordan 11 breads, these will actually be going up on the website. Can't fit this, but it is one of the most iconic 11s, man, and you can tell why. I mean, it's a very sleek design, so that's a nice replacement box. All right, so next shoe we got out is a size 7.5 Jordan 3. What do we got here? Oh, okay. See over here, it is pretty used. There's a pretty hard crease over here. Bottoms are obviously dirtied up. Sock lint on the inside. So yeah, it's a worn pair, and I'm not too sure how many people can fit a size 7.5. But overall, not a bad shoe. I'm sure these go for at least $100. Jordan 3s are usually about there if it's not super hyped. All right, so the next two shoes we have in the box are like pretty heat. I'm kind of confused so far because we have the Jordan 11 bread, which goes for a lot of money even if it doesn't have the box. We also have that Yeezy, which goes for a lot of money, the 11 low, which goes for a good amount of money. So yeah, I'm not sure how these last two are still in here, but they are, and I'm pretty excited for them. So if you take a look over at this first box, yeah, it's a Human Race. Oh man, this might be a really good Human Race too, dude. It's a size 11.5, it says on the box. Oh, what? Wow, this is a nice pair, and it's an 11.5, so I can't fit it, but this is a sick shoe, man. This is from like the original Human Race packs. I mean, they have a whole bunch of other ones that came out recently, like the Holy packs and stuff like that, but these are from the OG series when they released all the colors after the yellow. So this black pair is one of the better ones in my opinion, just because it's a standard shoe. You can see over here that it says Human going over the top, yellow laces for a nice pop. This is a pretty nice pickup, dude, and it is a size 11.5. I wish I could keep this. Fortunately, we're gonna have to sell it, and I'm sure the counter over here is pretty stoked over the value on this. So man, this is nice, dude. We got a good variety of shoes in this box so far. I'm pumped. I really like this box. I really like it. Human Race NMD, right on. Okay, and so this last one, it's kind of like a 2-for-1, and you guys will see why. But it's gonna be heavy, and this is why. It is a Jordan Collection, I don't know. But yeah, this is the CDP packs, and you guys can see right here, it is a size 9.5, and it is the 14.9. So not one of the more hype ones, but that's okay. Let's take a look in the box. These are such a pain to open, man. And hopefully we have both in here. It feels pretty heavy, so I'm assuming so. You guys can see over here it has like that Jordan split, so that's pretty dope. And if you open it up, we have a pair of the 14s and of the 9s. So 14s are actually not bad. You guys can see over here, they're all gonna be bread colorways, man. That's part of how this pack works. So you guys see, not too bad. It is used, obviously, but overall, clean shoe. And for the second one, the 9s, these ones are also worn as well. This one's not too bad, though. You can see that there's not too much creasing over here, so that's a good sign. So this is good. I'm not sure how much these packs go for nowadays, but typically they would go for quite a lot of money. And it is a collection kind of pack, so if you guys are collectors, that's more what they're for nowadays. You can still wear it, but they are pretty old, so it's not recommended. So what do you guys think of the box? Because I can't see the counter until after the video is done. But we have a great like variety of shoes in my opinion. That's what's fun about it for me. We have the CDP pack right here, which is cool. We have the Human Race OG series, which is dope. We got the 2 Jordan 11s, which is also nice because there's a great value all the time. And we also got a Yeezy that's not like a zebra or a cream or a butter. So I don't know. I feel like the value is really, really high. I could be completely wrong, but I feel like we came up huge on this box because these aren't like hard to move shoes either, you know? Like there's gonna be buyers pretty quick. There's not like any random obscure shoes. So I'm pretty pumped. I liked it. I don't know how you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to give your rating out of 10 so I can kind of figure out and gauge. Did you like this box a lot? Did you not like it at all? But for me, I would probably grade it a solid 9.5 out of 10, dude. It was a great, great box. I mean, the only thing that we're missing is like a personal grail for myself, so I guess it's a little bit greedy, but it's like pretty darn close to a 10. Anyway, I guess even though Kumo wasn't here, he did bring the luck because this is a fire box. And if you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down below. If you guys want to be part of that Untied Ohana as well, be sure to hit that notification bell so you guys can figure out when the next Beater Box series video is gonna be. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up as well. It does go a long way in helping the channel. But anyway, thank you guys for coming through. Always appreciate you guys watching the videos. And until the next video, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha.
Shoots!